So what we're going to be looking today is simultaneous equations. So these are the easy simultaneous equations where we're going to be doing simply by eliminating values. So the main thing you need to be looking is, have you got the same amount of values, okay, of variables? So say for example for question 5. So for question 5, you can see that you've got the same amount of y's. For question 6, you've got the same amount of b's. For question 7, you've got the same amount of d's. For question 8, you've got the same amount of n's. For question 9, you've not got anything the same, okay, so you might have to change something. And exactly the same for question 10. So let's have a look at how would I do question 5. So question 5, I've got 2x plus 2y equals to 12. X plus 2y equals to 10. Now, because these two are the same, okay, and because you have got the same sign, so same sign, I take away. So you can subtract one from the other. So let's see. What's 2x take x? Simply x. 2y take 2y, 0. 12 take 10, 2. So you're left with the value of x being 2. Now, this is simultaneous equation. So instead of just finding x, you also need to find y. So let's see, y would be substitute into any of the two. So let's say x plus 2y equals 10. But you know that x is now 2. So 2 plus 2y equals 10. 2y must be equal to 8. So therefore y must be equal to 4. And that is me solving the simultaneous equation for it. Yeah? So x is 2, y is 4. So I'll look at question 6 now. 4a plus 2b equals 22. A plus 2b equals to 7. Same again. They've got the same, so therefore simply take away. 4a take a, 3a. 22 take 7 will give you what? Will give you 15. So how many 3's go into 15? 5. So a equals to 5. Now I need to use that to work out the other missing letter. So you've got a plus 2b equals to 7. You know that a is 5, so 5 plus 2b equals 7. So 2b must be equal to 2. So b must be equal to 1. So we're going to be looking, question 7 and question 8 are exactly the same thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to try question 9 and question 10. So let's get rid of all this. So if you look at question 9 and question 10, sadly we've not got anything that is actually the same. Okay, so question 9, I've got 4f plus 3g equals 19, and I've got 2f plus g equals to 9. Now I need to see if somehow I can actually make the same amount of this of the letter. So what I'll do is I'm actually going to multiply this equation, everything, by 2. So because I want to get the same amount of f's, so let's see, if I multiply everything by 2, I'm going to get equation 1 stays the same as 4f plus 3g equals 19. But this equation, the second equation, becomes 4f plus 2g equals to 18. Remember to multiply everything. So now I've got the same as before. Okay, same as here. I have got 4f and 4f. So therefore I can simply subtract. Left with 1g equals to 1, so therefore g equals 1. And I can substitute 4f plus 3g equals 19. 4f plus 3 equals 19. 4f equals to 16, so f must be equal to 4. So g is 1, f is 4. Same again for question 10. 10s plus 3t equals 71. 5s plus t equals to 32. I've not got the same amount, but I can actually make the same amount of s's. So I'm going to multiply everything by 2. Really important that you multiply everything by 2. Top one stays the same, but bottom becomes 10s plus 2t equals to 64. Now I can take away because I've got the same. Same sign I take away. Different sign I add. So same sign, so I take them away. So I'm left with 1t equals to 7. So t equals to 7. substitute into any of the two. So I'm going to pick this one. 5s plus t equals to 32. 5s plus 7 equals 32. 5s equals to 25. S must be equal to 5. Okay, because I divide by 5. So S equals to 5. So T is 7, S is 5. So let's have a look at the questions we had in My Maths. So, same again. You can actually see 4 pillows and 5 quilts cost £43. 6 pillows and 5 quilts cost 47. So you've created here the equation. I have got the same amount, so simply take away. Now, what you can actually do for this question is you can actually write one on top of each other. So this one is bigger. So I'll write 6p plus 5q equals to 47. 4p plus 5q equals to 43. Now I can take away 2p equals to 4. So p must be equal to 2. Q, multiply that. So 4p plus 5q equals to 43. 8 plus 5q equals to 43. 5q equals to 35. So q must be equal to 7. Same again here. You've got an equal amount, so simply take them away. 4a plus 3b equals 22. And I'm going to write the other one on top of it. Why is that? Because I don't want to deal with negative numbers. Take them away. 4b equals to 8, b equals 2. 4a plus 3b equals 22. 4a plus 6 equals 22. 4a equals to 16. A equals to 4. 10 mugs and 3 plates cost 87. 10 mugs plus 3 plates equals to 87. 8 mugs plus 3 plates equals to 75. Same amount, so you do exactly the same thing and you're trying to find what M and P will be equal to. Continuing. Now you had more questions to actually practice for these, so you can actually see, simply take it away. If this was 1 and this was 2, I would put that on top of the other one, okay? Put the bigger one on top. Same again, 8m, take him away. I would simply just take away one from the other. Same again here, take away. Same again, so I take away. Same again, but I take away. But again, as I said, write this on top of the other, so you don't have any negative numbers. And take them away. And same again here, I've got the same sign, same amount of numbers. So 2a plus 15b equals to 98. 2a plus 3b equals 26. And the first step, take them away. You're left with 12b equals to 72. So b equals 6. And then don't forget to also substitute that in order to work out what would a be equal to.